Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to use the playback function in our 6 Series NVR. So we're going to go ahead and go into the play button right here at the top. And you'll encounter this interface. So you can go ahead and scroll down and you'll see a little time bar right here. You can zoom in and zoom out to get better time selections. So this blue line right here will be representing time that has been recorded. This yellow right here will be for different events. So right here, it was able to find a AI person. This green right here was a AI tripwire zone. So the different events in your NVR, different alarm events that you set up in your NVR will show up here as well. So yeah, some people do find it a little hard to navigate through this little timeline. So you can go ahead and click this X right here and it will bring up a little pop-up menu on this left-hand side. And here you'll be able to record or go back and view playback from a certain date. So you can go down to a specific hour, minute, or even second. So here I'm going to go ahead and select a date and go ahead and click playback, and it's showing us the feed from that day. And another thing you could do is you can kind of retrieve metadata or kind of categorize it. So here we have AI person, and it will show all the different instances where it was able to capture a person. So this will be a video from this morning. This is me testing out our camera to see if the functionality is working properly. So yeah, there you have it. You can go ahead and go into this play button right here, and you can either use the timeline function, or you can use this little sidebar right here to kind of navigate and pick the video that you want to rewatch. So yeah, that concludes today's video.